Here at the Mid-South Fairgrounds, looking west to east, you see the Liberty Bowl Memorial Stadium behind us, but way back when, this was Montgomery Park in the 1880s, a big racetrack here. Horse racing was very popular in Memphis. The state of Tennessee outlawed it. The Tennessee Derby was actually bigger than the Kentucky Derby at the time. 1912, the Fairgrounds moved out to here. The Mid-South Fair did. 1923, we opened the Fairgrounds Amusement Park. And later on, Liberty Land opened in 1976. Coliseum 1964. And the Memphis Memorial Stadium in 1965. Many activity buildings here, big open like warehouse type buildings like the youth building, the women's building, the merchants building, the Pipkin building. The big Shelby County building was built in 1923, the one in the Don Newman picture. During World War II, that housed the 2nd Army Air Corps. During the floods of 1927 and 1937, over 9,000 refugees would be housed here from the flooding that was on the Mississippi River throughout the Mid-South. So amazing usages of the Mid-South Fairgrounds over the years. The National Guard Armory was built in the 1940s during World War II. It was stationed over there at Central and Hollywood. Of course, the Memphis Belle airplane was bought here in 1946 and laid on a pad there for about 40 years at Central and Hollywood. It's now the Children's Museum. The Fairview Junior High School came in 1936. Got a big swimming pool here. Of course, the Croc Center here is now. And now you see Tiger Lane behind us and the beautiful Liberty Bowl Memorial Stadium, the home of the Memphis Tigers football team here. The Liberty Bowl Memorial Game, it's the 60th year. And of course, the Southern Heritage Classic. Of course, the best memories maybe are the Mid-South Fair. These grounds were the fairgrounds, all the rides, all the smells, all the food, all the shows. For over 100 years right here on the fairgrounds, and unfortunately that's not here anymore, but it's received a great new use here in Tiger Lane. There are other events that are here besides football during the course of the year, and there's plans for upscale development in the future.